Hello everyone, and this is Sandeep, and you are watching Samyan's Academy. And in this session, we are going to discuss about quadratic equations, exercise 5.3 from question number 1. Let us start now. So find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist. Find the roots of the quadratic equations given in the question 1 by applying the quadratic formula. Okay, in the question number given in the question number 1, so you have to find the roots of the quadratic equations if they exist. Then how do you know that the roots are exist or not? Yes, how do you know that? By using the discriminant formula, that is b square minus 4ac. Okay, the given equation you have to compare with the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then apply the discriminant formula b square minus 4ac. If you are getting the b square minus 4ac as a positive value, then real roots are distinct real roots are exist. If you are getting b square minus 4ac value is 0, then two equal roots are exist. If you are getting the b square minus 4ac value is less than 0, that is negative value, the real roots are does not exist. Okay, so in this way we have to check the real roots are exist or not. Okay, first you take the equation. Here we have the 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0, and the given equation you have to compare with the formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, then what is the a here? What is the a here? Where a means x square coefficient. Compare the given equation with the ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, right? And the coefficient of x square here a, that is 2. That means here a value is 2, and the coefficient of x is here 1. So b value is 1, and constant term we have here minus 4. Okay, to check this the real roots are exist or not, so you have to check by using the which formula? B square minus 4ac. Use the formula b square minus 4ac. Now you tell what is the value of b we have here, that is 1 square is 1 only, minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is minus 4, right? So now minus into minus is plus, 4 to the 8, 8 4 the 32, this is 33, which is greater than value. So if b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, that is positive, that means the real roots are exist. Two distinct real roots are exist. Okay, two distinct real roots are exist. Real roots are exist. You have to write like this. Two distinct real roots are exist. Now what you have to do now? Now you have to find the roots of this equation, right? By using the quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula we have here? X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, to find the roots, what you have to do? Just you substitute the values in the given expression, right? So now what I am doing here, just I am substituting the b value. B value is how much here? 1. You put 1 here, so minus b means minus 1 plus or minus root over, already we got the b square minus 4ac value as 33. Directly you take here b square minus 4ac value is 33 by 2 into a, that is 2 into 2, right? So next what you have to do here, minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. Okay, that means here x is having the x is having two roots. One is what is the one? You take ones plus, and next time you take minus. Okay, next time you take minus. Here two roots are exist. What are those? Minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, and other one is minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. Okay, is it clear? So move on to the next question. And in this question we have here 4x square plus 4 root 3 plus 3 equal to 0. In a similar way you have to do here also. So first you have to do write the values of a, b, c here by comparing given equation with this standard form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And what is the x square coefficient we have here? X square coefficient a, here x square coefficient is 4, where a value is 4 and b value is 4 root 3 and c value is 3, right? So from this we can know that b square minus 4ac, from this we can calculate. So what is the b square here? That is b value is 4 root 3, square means whole square, minus 4 into a into c, minus 4 into 4 into 3. Okay, now you see 4 square value is how much? 4 into 4 is 16. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 16 into 3 is coming, right? 16 into 3 we can write as 48. Okay, 4 into 4 is 16. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 16 into 3 is 48. Minus 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 3, 48. Now here b square minus 4ac value becomes 0. That means if b square minus 4ac value is 0, what is the nature of the roots? Yes, what is the nature of the roots? Two equal real roots are exist. Two equal real roots are exist. Okay, two equal real roots are exist. Then how do you find the roots of this equation? By taking the formula, that is x equal to, what is the formula we have here? X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, use this formula and find out now. Right, so ఇక్కడ right ఫార్ములాలో just substitute చేయండి. So what is the value of b here? B value is minus 4 root 3. So b value is 4 root 3. Here minus b means minus 4 root 3 have to take. Plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac we got as how much here? 0. Okay, by 2a. 2 into a. 2 into a is 2 into 4. So this we can write minus 4 root 3 by 2 into 4. Here 4 get cancel. Answer is minus root 3 by 2, and one more minus root 3 by 2 will come. Okay, minus root 3 by 2. Here two equal real roots are exist for this expression. Okay, is it clear everyone? Then move on to the next question. Okay, so here we have the question 5x square minus 7x minus 6, and the given equation compare with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the x square coefficient here? X square coefficient is a here. Here x square coefficient is 5. Then a value is 5. X coefficient is b here. Here x coefficient is minus 7. B value is minus 7 and c value is minus 6. Next, check the discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac. What is the b value we have? Minus 7 square minus 4 into 5 into minus 6, that is minus 4 into a into c. Minus 7 square we can write as 49. Minus into minus plus 4 into 5 20, 20 into 6 is 120. 120 plus 49 is 169. So this is greater than 0. 169 is nothing but this is a positive value. B square minus 4ac value is greater than 0. If b square minus 4ac value is greater than 0, then what is the nature of the roots? Yes, the two distinct real roots are exist. Okay, two distinct real roots are exist. Therefore two distinct means separate, వేరు. Okay, two distinct real roots are exist. Two distinct real roots are exist. Then how do you find the x value? We have a formula to find the x value is x equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now you check the value here. So what is the b value we got here? Yeah, so what is the b value we have here? Minus 7. Minus of minus 7 will become 7. Already here minus is there, the b value also minus 7. Minus of minus 7 will become plus 7. Minus into minus plus. Plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac value we got as here 169. Just you put in the value here. Put in this expression, that is b square minus 4ac value is 169 by 2a. Means 2 into 5. Okay, 2 into 5. Right. 7 plus or minus root over root 169 value is 13. Already you know that. Root 169 value is 13 by 10. So here we have the two roots. One is you take one's plus, next time you take minus. 7 plus 13 by 10. So 7 plus 13 by 10 is how much? 20 by 10. So which is equal to 0 0 get cancelled. X value is 2. And the next time what you have to take? You have to take minus. 7 minus 13 by 10. Okay, what is the value of 7 minus 13? That is 6. Okay, minus 6. Minus 6 by 10. Okay, minus 6 by 10 means what is the value it is? Yeah, 2 how many times? 3 times. 2 5 times. The value is minus 3 by 5. And here we have the two roots. What are the two roots we have here for this expression? X value is 2 and other value is minus 3 by 5. Then x equal to 2 and minus 3 by 5. This is and these two values are the roots of the given equation. Okay, is it clear? And move on to the next question. Okay, in the next question we have here x square plus 5 equal to minus 6x. Then what you have to do here? The minus 6x you take it this side, so it will become plus 6x, right? Plus 5 equal to 0. And compare the given equation with the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what is the value of a here? So a value is 1 here. A value is 1 and b value, x coefficient is 6 here, x coefficient to b. So then b value is 6 and c value is how much here? C value is 5. C value is 5. And check the value of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. B value is 6, that is 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5, right? That is 36 minus 20, which is equal to 16, and b square minus 4ac value we are getting here greater than 0. That means this equation has two distinct real roots. Okay, this equation has two distinct real roots. Then you find out the two distinct real roots here, right? Then yeah, what is the formula to find out the roots? X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, every time please write the formula. Then what is the value of the b we have here, right? What is the value of b we have here? That is minus 6, right? Minus 6 is there, b value is 6, so here minus b means minus 6 plus or minus. And what is the b square minus 4ac value we got here? That is 16. Just you put the value here, root 16 by 2 into a. The a value is 1 we have here, then 2 into 1. So this we can write minus 6 plus or minus root 16 value is how much? That is 4 by 2. That means here x is having the two values, one minus 6 plus 4 by 2, other one is minus 6 minus 4 by 2. Okay, now you tell minus 6 plus 4 is how much? That is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Then x value here minus 1. Here, yeah, minus 10 by 2. Then x value is minus 5. And what are the two roots we are getting here? Minus 1 and minus 5. Is it clear? Okay, next move on to the next question. Now, yeah, here we have the find the roots of the following equation. X minus 1 by x equal to 3. X minus 1 by x equal to 3. Now, how do you calculate this? Now you see here x minus 1 by x, this x you multiply with this x, then what will it will become x square minus 1 by x equal to 3. By x, when you take it this side, it will become into x. So this we can write x square minus 1 equal to 3x. Okay, and the 3x when you take it in here this side, it will become minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, anyway you can do by splitting the middle term or by using the quadratic formula. So I am doing here by using the quadratic formula. Before that I have to check the discriminant value. Okay, by using the quadratic expression, standard form of the quadratic expression, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Compare the given equation with this equation, and then a value is how much here? A value is 1 and b value is here, b value is minus 3, b value is minus 3, and what is the value of c here? C value is minus 1. Okay, and check the discriminant value now by using the formula b square minus 4ac. B square means that is minus 3 square. Okay, b square means here minus 3 square minus 4 into a into c, minus 4 into a value is 1, here c value is minus 1. Is it clear? Next one, this is minus 3 square is 9, minus into minus plus, so 9 minus minus 4. Okay, 9 plus 4 is 13. So what is the value of b square minus 4ac? 13. Okay, now check the now you find the roots. What is the formula to find the roots? X equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now substitute the values. Now here what is the minus? B value is minus 3, so minus of minus 3 will become 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2 into 1. Okay, so finally we can write like this. So one x value is here 3 plus root 13 by 2, and other one is 3 minus root 13 by 2. Okay, is it clear? Right. Next one is yeah, move on to the next question. Okay, what is the value we have here? Next question is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 equal to 11 by 30. Right. So by using the butterfly method, first you multiply these two. Right. X plus 4 into x minus 7. Next you do the cross multiplication. Right. X minus 7 into 1 is x minus 7. Okay. Keep it in the bracket. Here minus symbol is there. So whenever it's minus symbol, the expression value you keep it in the bracket. X plus 4 into 1 is x plus 4 equal to 11 by 30. Okay. So now what you have to do here? So you have to multiply these expressions, right? X minus 7 is there. Okay. Minus into x is minus x. Minus into plus is minus 4 by. Now you see x into x is this x into this expression. X into x is x square. X into minus 7 is minus 7x, plus 4 into x is plus 4x. 4 into minus 7 is minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. Up here clear everyone, right? So next one is, yeah, here x get cancelled, plus x minus x get cancelled, right? Minus 7 minus 4 is there. Minus 7 minus 4 will become minus 11. How much it is? Minus 11 by x square minus 7x plus 4x. How much it is? That is minus 3x. Minus 28 is there. Minus 28 equal to 11 by 30. Both side 11 11 get cancelled. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో ఈ 11 11ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేయొచ్చు, బట్ మీకు అర్థం కాకపోతే మళ్ళీ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. యూ డూ ద క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ఓకే, నా మైనస్ 11 ఇంటూ 30 and 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28. So both side 11 11 get cancelled. Otherwise, see here, into 11 when you take it this side, it will become by 11. Okay, by 11. So here also 11 11 get cancelled. X square minus 3x minus 28. Right. Now what we have now? Right, here minus 30 is there. Minus 30 x square minus 3x minus 28. Okay, minus 30 when you take it here, so it will become plus 30, right? X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Then by using the middle term also we can split, or by using the quadratic formula also we can find the roots. Chudandi, when you do the multiply, when you multiply the two numbers, you have to get the 2. When you add the two numbers, you have to get the minus 3. So what are those two numbers? Can you tell? Exactly correct. That is minus 2 into 1. Very good. Minus 2 into 1. Minus 2 into minus 1. Sorry, not 1. Minus 2 into minus 1. Your minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Okay. By splitting the middle term also we can do this, and by using the quadratic formula also we can do. Anyway you can do, no problem. So x square, the middle term we can split minus 3. X we can write as minus 2x and minus x plus 2 equal to 0. And from first to two terms you have to take x as a common. From the first two terms you have to take x as a common, right? The next two terms you have to take minus 1 as a common. Is it clear? The first two terms you have to take x as a common, and the next two terms you have to take minus 1 as a common. So the next value we can write like this: x minus 1, x minus 2 equal to 0. Make x minus 1 equal to 0, then x value is 1. Similarly here also do same thing, x minus 2 equal 0, minus 2 when you take it that side it will become plus 2. Therefore the x equal to 1 and 2. X equal to 1, and the roots of this given equation is x equal to 1 and 2. Is it clear everyone? Right? Move on to the next one. Okay, so next question we have here: the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Okay, so before going to solve this question, so first you have to understand some small concept. Let us say your age is now 10 years, right? Now you are watching this video means you are in 10th class, right? There, around your age will be 14 to 15 years, right? Let us say your age is 15 years, right? 3 years ago, what is your age? Means 3 years back, what is your age? 15 minus 3, which will equal to 12. Let us say your present age is 15 years. Okay, 15 years. 3 years ago, when you go back 3 years, what will your age will become? 3 years ago, 15 minus 3, which is equal to 12 years, right? 3 years ago. Then 5 years from now, suppose your age is 15. After 5 years from present year, then your age will become 15 plus 5, which is equal to 20. Okay, sum of reciprocals of these two means 12 reciprocal is 1 by 12, reciprocal of 20 is 1 by 20. So you will do this, you will get some fraction. Okay, here we are getting which fraction here? 1 by 3 is a fraction. Okay, then what is his present age? Okay, we don't know the present age. Okay, let the present age of the Rahman be x years. Okay, let the present age of the Rahman is x years. Then the question given that 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Then what is his age 3 years ago? 3 years ago, his age equal to x minus 3 years. Okay, right. Then 5 years from now, what is his age? Okay, 5 years from now, his age equal to x plus 5 years. Okay, in the question they have given that the sum of the reciprocal of these two values give the fraction 1 by 3. X minus 3 యొక్క reciprocal చేయండి. Then in the it is given that x minus 3 reciprocal చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? 1 by x minus 3. x plus 5 యొక్క reciprocal చేస్తే ఏంటి? 1 by x plus 5. ఆ వచ్చిన రెండు reciprocals వాల్యూస్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే మీకు వచ్చే వాల్యూ ఎంతకి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి? 1 by 3కి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి. Okay, the reciprocal of x minus 3 is, and you write like this: it is given that. Okay, the reciprocal of these two ages means reciprocal of x minus 3 is the sum of reciprocal of these two ages, that is 1 by x minus 3. X minus 3 reciprocal of x minus 3 is 1 by x minus 3. Then reciprocal of x plus y is 1 by x plus 5. When you add these two, 1 by x plus 5, sorry, when you add these two, what will you get here? You have to get fraction value 1 by 3, right? So when you do this, then you will get the x value here. Then solve the sum of reciprocal of these two ages equal to 1 by 3. Okay, now what you have to do now? So you have to do the butterfly method, right? Like this. Okay, first you have to multiply x plus 5 with 1, you will get x plus 5. X minus 3 with 1, x minus 3 plus x minus 3. Okay, now what you have to do? So these two expressions just you multiply. Okay, so I am multiplying these two expression, x minus 3 into x plus 5, which is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so now x plus x is 2x, 5 into 5 minus 3 is plus 2. Now you multiply x with x plus 5. X into x is x square, x into 5 is 5x. Okay, next time you multiply with this 3 with x plus 5. minus 3 with x plus 5. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus 3 into plus 5 is yes minus 15, which is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. So next what you have to do now? Just 2x plus 2 write as it is x square. Now you see here 5x minus 3x is how much? That is 2x minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. So in the next step, what you have to do now? Now what you have to do? So just to do the cross multiplication, 2x plus 2 with 3 and x square plus 2x minus 15 with 1. Okay, just do the cross multiplication. 3 into 2x plus 2, okay, 3 into 2x plus 2 equal to 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15. That is x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, 3 2 ja 6x, 3 2 ja 6, x square plus 2x minus 15. Okay, is it clear? Now what you have to do now? Again you write this x square plus 2x plus 6x when you take it this side, it will become minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, now what you have to do now? X square 2x minus 6x is how much? Minus 4x minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. Okay, now you have to solve this equation by splitting middle term or by using the quadratic formula. Anyway you can do, no problem. So I am doing here splitting of the middle term. Okay, you have to select the two numbers so that when you multiply the two numbers you have to get the minus 21. When you add the two numbers you have to get the minus 4. Can you tell what are the two numbers? Yes, that is 7 and 3. Here minus is coming, right? Minus 4 is coming. The answer is minus 7 and 3. What is that? Minus 7 into 3 is minus 21. Minus 7 plus 4 is how much here? Sorry. Minus 7 plus 3 is how much here? Minus 4. The number is, this minus 4x we can split as, how we can split this? X square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 equal to 0. Okay, is it clear? Now this minus 4x middle term we split as minus 7x plus 3x. Okay, now x square minus 7x plus 3x is how much? That is minus 4x minus 21 equal to, oh my god, what I am doing, sorry, cut it. Okay, from these two terms you take x as a common. X minus 7 plus 3 into x minus 7 equal to 0. Then x plus 3 into x minus 7 equal to 0. Then what you have to do now? Just just you have to make it equal to each expression, you make it equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 3. Age cannot be negative. Age cannot be negative. So we can neglect this value. Okay, x minus 7 equal to 0, x equal to 7. Okay, then x value is how much here? 7. Then now you have to check is it correct or not. How do you cross check it is? What is the age of the Rahman we got here? 7 years. Okay, 7 years వచ్చింది. Rahman age ఎంత వచ్చింది? 7 years వచ్చింది. You have to write down here. Therefore the present age of the Rahman is 7 years. Okay, you have to write in the sentence like this. The present age of the Rahman is 7 years. Now you see the present age of the Rahman we got as 7 years. 3 years ago ఆయన ఏజ్ ఏమై ఉండొచ్చు? 3 years ago ఆయన ఏజ్ 4 అవుతుంది. 5 years from now అంటే 7 plus 5 ఎంత అవుతుంది? 12. Reciprocal of these two ages అంటే ఏంటి? 1 by 4. దాన్ని 4 కి reciprocal 1 by 4 and 12 కి reciprocal 1 by 12. Okay, then what is the LCM of these two? 12. So 4 how many times 12? 4 3s are 12 plus 1. 4 by 12, so which is equal to 1 by 3. Getting or not? 1 by 3 here. You see this is also 1 by 3. We got here 1 by 3. Therefore our answer is correct. In this way you can cross check. Okay, next one. Yeah, move on to the next question. In a class test, the sum of Maulika's marks in mathematics and English is 30. If she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, the product of her marks would have been 210. Find her marks in the two subjects. Okay, so Maulika's marks in the mathematics and English, the total marks మీరు యాడ్ చేస్తే మ్యాథ్స్లో వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ కలిపితే అంటే యాడ్ చేస్తే సో గెటింగ్ హౌ మచ్ ఇయర్ 30, రైట్. So and also they given that if she got 2 marks more in maths and 3 marks less in English, when you do the product of the two values and you have to get your 210, then you have to find her marks in the two subjects. Okay, let us take, let Maulika's marks in maths equal to x, right? Then Maulika marks in maths. Let Maulika's marks in maths equal to x. Then Maulika marks in English ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? Yes, exactly, 30 minus x. ఓకే, సో మౌలికకు వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ ఎంత అనుకుందాం, మ్యాథ్స్లో ఎక్స్ అనుకుంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లో వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ ఏమవుతుంది 30 మైనస్ ఎక్స్. ఎందుకు 30 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ చేసాము అంటే మ్యాథ్స్ అండ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కలిపితే ఆమె మార్క్స్ ఎంత అయి ఉండాలి, 30 అయి ఉండాలి. ఓకే, ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే మీకు 30 వస్తుంది, ఎక్స్ ఎక్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయ్యి. అండ్ ఆల్సో వన్ మోర్ సెంటెన్స్ దే గివెన్ దట్ ఇఫ్ షీ గాట్ 2 మార్క్స్ మోర్ ఇన్ ద మ్యాథమెటిక్స్, ఈ ఎక్స్కి +2 యాడ్ చేయండి, అప్పుడు 2 మార్క్స్ ఎక్కువ వస్తాయి. If she got 2 marks more in the mathematics, then what is her marks becomes? Okay, that is x plus 2. And 3 marks less in the English. అంటే ఒక 3 మార్క్స్ తక్కువ వచ్చి ఉంటుంది ఇంగ్లీష్లో, దీని నుంచి -3 చేయండి, దీని నుంచి +2 చేయండి. ఆ వచ్చిన వాల్యూస్ని ఇంటూ చేస్తే మనకి 210కి ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. చూద్దాం, రైట్. సో షీ గాట్ 2 మార్క్స్ మోర్ ఇన్ ద మ్యాథమెటిక్స్. ఓకే, if she got 2 marks more in the mathematics, her marks becomes x plus 2. If she got 2 marks more in maths, then her marks would be how much here? X plus 2. Okay, if she got 3 marks less in English, then her marks would be how much? English marks ఎంత వచ్చాయి 30 minus x, దీంట్లో 3 తగ్గించండి అంటే 30 minus x minus 3. అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతాయి, 30 minus 3 is 27 minus 6. Okay, now the product of her marks would have been 210. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఈ రెండింటి యొక్క ప్రోడక్ట్ 210కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఏమి, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ టూ ఇంటూ 27 మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్, 210. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఓకే, just now you do the simplify it is. So x with 27 minus x you multiply, x with 27 minus x, x into 27 is 27x, x into minus x minus x square, 2 into 27 is 54, 2 into minus x is minus 2x, which is equal to 210. Okay, x with 27 minus x చేయండి, 27x minus x స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది. అలాగే 2 with 27 minus x మల్టిప్లై చేయండి, 2 into 27 is 54, 2 into minus x is minus 2x, which is equal to 210. Okay, so in the next step, yeah, all terms you take it here. So before that you add these two x values. 27x minus 2x is how much, 25x minus x square plus 54 equal to 210. మనకి ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ నెగటివ్ ఉండకుండా చూసుకోండి. సో అది పాజిటివ్ రావాలంటే అటువైపు తీసుకెళ్ళండి. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్ దట్ సైడ్, ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. 25x you take it there, so it will become minus 25x. 54 you take it there, it will become minus 54 equal to 0. Okay, now 54 minus 54 plus 210, how much it is? X square minus 25x plus 210 minus 54. 10 minus 4 6 5 1. Okay, that is how much it is. 156 equal to 0. X square minus 25x plus 156 equal to 0. Okay, now you have to split these terms. Okay, how do you split this term? By then how do you find these numbers? Do the factorization. 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16. 2 how many times 78? 2 39 times. 3 13 times. Okay, then 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12 and 13. Okay, what are the factors we have here? 12 and 13. So, and signs, how do you take this? Minus 12 minus 13 you take. Minus 12 minus 13. So, minus 12 into minus 13 is 156. Minus 12 minus 13 is minus 25. Now what you have to do, just this minus 25x you write as minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 equal to 0. Okay, from the first two term you take x as a common. From the next two term you take minus 13 as a common. Okay, then what will you get here? Yes, what will you get? Now see here. X minus 13 x minus 13 x minus 12 equal to 0, right? Then x minus 13 you make it equal to 0. This will become x equal to 13, right? Or x minus 12 equal to 0, then it is equal to x equal to 12. ఓకే, సో మ్యాథ్స్లో వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ ఎంత అయి ఉండొచ్చు? 13 అయినా అయి ఉండొచ్చు, లేదా 12 అయినా అయి ఉండొచ్చు, ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఒకవేళ మీరు 13 అనుకుంటే, if x equal to if x equal to 13, then what is her marks in English? Then 30 minus x equal to 30 minus 13, which is equal to 17. Okay, if x value is 12, ఓకే, ఒకవేళ మార్క్స్ మ్యాథ్స్లో వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ 12 అయితే, అప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్లో వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ ఏమనుకున్నాము? 30 minus x, that is 30 minus 12, which is equal to 18. ఓకేనా? So if x equal to 13 means, then marks in the maths is how much here? 13. Okay, then her English marks equal to how much? 30 minus 6, 30 minus 13 equal to 17. ఈ రెండు నెంబర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ 30 రావాలి. రెండు సమ్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తే 13 రావాలి. చూసుకోండి, 13 plus 17 30 రావాలి, రైట్? ఒకవేళ మ్యాథ్స్లో వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ 12 అయి ఉండి, అప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్లో వచ్చిన మార్క్స్ ఎంత అయి ఉంటుంది? 30 minus 12 చేయండి. 30 minus x equal to 30 minus 12, which is equal to 18. ఓకే, సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైనల్గా మీరు ఏం రాయాలి? Therefore, if she got 13 marks in the maths, then her marks would be in the English is how much? 17. If she got 12 in maths, then her English marks becomes 18. Okay, this is your answer. So and move on to the next one. Right, the diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. సో ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? ఇక్కడ మీరు ఒక స్క్వేర్ని కన్సిడర్ చేయండి, రైట్? The diagonal of rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. ఓకే, షార్టర్ సైడ్ని మనం x అనుకుందాం. ఫస్ట్ షార్టర్ సైడ్ని x అనుకుంటే, అప్పుడు డయాగ్నల్ ఏమవుతుంది? షార్టర్ సైడ్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ప్లస్ 60 ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. అంటే this should be how much here? X plus 60, right? Now if the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, అంటే లాంగర్ సైడ్ షార్టర్ సైడ్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఒక ప్లస్ 30 ఎక్కువ ఉంది. అప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది? లాంగర్ సైడ్ విల్ బికమ్ x plus 30. Okay, so then find the sides of the field. Okay, so now you see, let the side of the square of shorter side equal to x అనుకోండి. అప్పుడు diagonal of the square will become x plus 60, and the longer side will become x plus 30 as per question. Okay, after that this is in the right angle triangle, this is in square lo em untadi 90 degrees kada. So this we can assume as right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, apply the Pythagoras, then you will get the x value. Okay, pause the video and try to solve it. Okay, do it now. Yes, now you see here the diagonal of rectangular 50 is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Let, you have to write like this, let the shorter side of, let the shorter side of square equal to x meter. Okay, ఎంత అనుకుందాం, x మీటర్ అనుకుందాం. Then it diagonal become, diagonal of this square will become how much, x plus 60 meter. Okay, then the longer side is how much, in the given question the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. అంటే దీనికి ఒక 30 యాడ్ చేయాలి. ద లాంగర్ సైడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x ప్లస్ 30 మీటర్. అర్థమవుతుందా, షార్టర్ సైడ్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే 30 మీటర్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, x ప్లస్ 30 ఉంది. సో డయాగ్నల్ ఎంత ఎక్కువ ఉంది, ప్లస్ 60 ఎక్కువ ఉంది. సో నౌ అప్లై ద Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, so this is, let us say this is hypotenuse. How do you consider hypotenuse? The side opposite to right angle we called as hypotenuse. Okay, this square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay, so from Pythagoras, according to Pythagoras formula, okay, then how do you calculate this? Hypotenuse square equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Okay, now see here, what is hypotenuse here? Let us see, this is, you assume as a triangle, right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, what is the diagonal value we have here, x plus 60. One of the side is x and other side is x plus 30, right? Hypotenuse is how much here, x plus 60 whole square, which is equal to side 1 square is x square, side 2 square is x plus 30 whole square. Okay, then just you calculate it and you will get the one quadratic equation. When you solve that quadratic equation, you will get the x value. Okay, do it now. Okay, now let us see here, x plus 60 whole square equal to x square plus x plus 30 whole square, right? So this you split in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, split in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, a square is x square, 60 square, 60 into 60 is 3600. 2 into ab kada, 2 into 60 into x, how much it is, 2 into 60 is 120x equal to x square plus x square. Now you see a plus b whole square, again you have to split in the form of a plus b whole square. X square plus 30 square is 900, 30 into 2 into x, which is equal to 60x. Okay, now yeah, so both side x square get cancelled. ఓకే, లేదంటే ఒకసారి పని చేయండి, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ నాట్ తీసుకెళ్తే మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ అవుతుంది, ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, నేను డైరెక్ట్ ఇక్కడే క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్, యూ రైట్ దిస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ ద 60x, రైట్, 60x. 120 you take it there, it will become minus 120x. 3600 when you take it that side, it will become minus 3600, which is equal to 0, right? Now x square, 60x minus 120x is how much, minus 60x. Here minus with big value, అందుకే ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ సైన్ వచ్చింది, ఎందుకంటే 120 పెద్ద నెంబర్ కదా. సో పెద్ద నెంబర్కి నెగిటివ్ సైన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మనకి ఇక్కడ నెగిటివ్ సైన్ పెట్టుకోవాలి. మైనస్ 60x. నౌ యూ టెల్ 3600 minus 900 is 900 minus 3600 is how much? Yes, that is 2700, which is equal to 0. Is it correct? Yes or no? Yeah. Now When you do the multiply, so you have to select the two numbers, so that when you do the multiply you have to get minus 2700. When you do the addition of the two numbers you have to get minus 60. What are those numbers? Easily we can find out that. So ఇక్కడ 27 అంటే 9 into 3 కదా, 9 minus 3 6. ఓకే, మనకు దొరికిపోయింది, నాకైతే దొరికిపోయింది. మీకు వచ్చిందా? మైనస్ 2700 మైనస్ 60. డైరెక్ట్లీ నేను రాసేస్తున్నాను. దట్ ఈస్ 90 and 30, మైనస్ 90 and 30. యు సీ, మైనస్ 90 and 30. Okay, so minus 90 into 30 is minus 2700, minus 90 plus 30 is minus 60. Okay, now you split the middle term. Okay, then this minus 60x we can write as minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 equal to 0. Now what you have to do now, so from first two terms you take x as a common. So this you will get here x minus 90. From next to two terms you take 30 as a common. So this you can write x minus 90, which is equal to 0. And finally you can write like this, x plus 30 into x minus 90, which is equal to 0. Yes, now make it equal to 0 now. X plus 30 is equal to 0. X plus 30 equal to 0. X equal to minus 30. Then side cannot be negative. Side అనేది నెగిటివ్ అవుతుందా? ఇది దేని యొక్క సైడ్? స్క్వేర్ యొక్క షార్టర్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏమని రాయాలి? సైడ్ కెనాట్ బి నెగటివ్. రైట్. సో వన్ మోర్ వాల్యూ వీ హ్యావ్ హియర్, x minus 90. X minus 90 you make it equal to 0, then x equal to 90. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, the shorter side will become how much now? The shorter side will become 90. The diagonal will become 90 plus 60, which is equal to 150. And the longer side will become 90 plus 30, which is equal to 120. So you have to write final answer there in conclusion point. The shorter side of the square is 90 meter. Diagonal of the square is x plus 60, means 90 plus 60, which is equal to 150 meter. The longer side will be how much here? 120. 90 plus 30 equal to 120. So in this way we have to solve this question. Okay, next move on to the next question. Is it clear? Right. Let us see here. The difference of the squares of the two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. Right. Now you see, let the two numbers, ఒక దాన్ని larger number అనుకుందాం, ఇంకో దాన్ని smaller number అనుకుందాం. Let the larger number equal to x and smaller number equal to y. Okay. First దాంట్లో ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? The difference of the squares of the two numbers is 180. Then the square of the smaller number is square of the what? Square of smaller number. So ఇక్కడ ఏమని చదవండి? Square of the smaller number అని ఉంది. Okay, it is given that square of the smaller number అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ని స్క్వేర్ చేయండి. Square of the smaller number, which is equal to y square, which is equal to 8 times the larger number, 8 into x. అంటే స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ని స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే అది దేనికి ఈక్వల్గా ఉంది? 8 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద లార్జర్ నెంబర్కి ఈక్వల్గా ఉంది. సో విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు y స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8x. లెట్ us say this is equation 1. Right. So now, and also they given that the difference of the squares of the two numbers is 180. అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ యూ టేక్, అంటే ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్ దే గివెన్? 180. Okay, and by using these two relations and two equations we can solve the question. Okay, so from the equation 1, though, what is the y square we have here? So y square, in the place of y square you substitute 8x. Okay, in the place of y square just you substitute 8x. X square minus 8x equal to 180. 180 you take it here. x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Okay, so next one, x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to x square minus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Okay, you have to select the two numbers, so that if you multiply the two numbers you have to get the minus 180. If you add the two numbers you have to get the minus 180, minus 8. Two numbers 18 and 10, but here we have minus 8 kada, so అందుకే ఇక్కడ minus 18 into 10, so minus 18 plus 10. Okay, 18 into 10 is minus 180, minus 18 plus 10 is minus 8. Is it clear everyone? Okay, now this minus 8x we can write as, yes, minus 18x plus 10x. Okay, middle term we're doing middle term splitting. 8x we are writing as minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 equal to 0. From first to two terms you take x as a common. From next to two terms you take 10 as a common. Okay, so this we can write as x plus 10 into x minus 18, which is equal to 0. Okay, x plus 10 equal to 0, x equal to minus 10. Okay, x plus 10 equal to 0, x equal to minus 10. So minus 10 we cannot take, so you try with minus 10, you won't get the answer. So x minus 18 equal to 0, then x equal to 18. Okay, so this you can neglect this value, x equal to minus 10 need not to be considered this. Okay, x equal to minus 18, x equal to 18 is the answer. Okay, now the one of the number we got here 18. So another one you have to find out. What is the next number? What is the relation between the x and y? They have given like this. What is the given? Y square equal to 8x. From equation 1 we have the y square equal to 8x. Okay, so from this you can get another number 8 into x. X value is how much here? 18. 8 into 18 is how much here? Yes, 144. Y square equal to 144, then y equal to root over 144, then y equal to plus or minus 12. Okay, yeah, you have to consider only positive value, need not to be considered negative value. So here y value is 12, y value is 12 and x value is 18. The larger number is 18 and the smaller number is 12. So if you want to cross check, then you cross check like this: 18 square minus, here y is how much here? What is the y? Y is 12 here. 18 square minus 12 square. Are you getting or not? 18 square value is 324 minus 144. Right? 18 square minus 12 square, you are getting 180. So our answer is correct. Okay, then x value is 18, y value is 12. Move on to the next one. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. Okay, train ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది? 360 కిలోమీటర్స్ యూనిఫామ్ స్పీడ్తో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తుంది. ఒకవేళ ట్రైన్ యొక్క స్పీడ్ 5 కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్ పెంచినట్లయితే, అంటే ట్రైన్ స్పీడ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసినట్లయితే, ఒక 1 అవర్ తక్కువ టైంలోనే అది జర్నీని కంప్లీట్ చేస్తుంది. రైట్, దెన్ ఫైండ్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రైన్. దెన్ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రైన్ ఎంత అయి ఉండొచ్చు? లెట్ us say, let the speed of the train equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay, how much distance it has to travel? Distance to travel is how much? Equal to 360 kilometers. Okay, then already you know that time taken for this journey, let us say that is t1. T1 equal to distance covered by this train, distance by speed. ఓకే, సో ఎంత? ఒకవేళ ట్రైన్ x కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్తో వెళ్ళినట్లయితే దానికి పట్టిన టైం ఎంత? 360 by x hours. ఓకే, if the speed of the train had been 5 kilometer per hour more, then what is the time? Okay, if the speed of the train, if the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, if the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, then it becomes then it becomes then it becomes x plus 5 కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్. ఓకే, ఒకవేళ స్పీడ్ 5 కిలోమీటర్ పెరిగినట్లయితే స్పీడ్ ఏమవుతుంది, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 5 కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవుతుంది. సో దీనికి పట్టిన టైం ఎంత? టైం అంటే మీకు తెలుసు డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం. డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది సేమ్ 360, టైం అంటే ఎంత, ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 5 అవర్. అంటే ట్రైన్ ఎక్స్ కిలోమీటర్ పర్ అవర్ స్పీడ్తో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు దానికి పట్టిన టైం ఇది 360/x. ఒకవేళ ట్రైన్ యొక్క స్పీడ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 5 అయితే అప్పుడు దీనికి పట్టిన టైం ఏమవుతుంది, 360/x ప్లస్ 5 అవుతుంది. లెట్ us see, యా, x plus 360/x plus 5 hours. ఓకే, నౌ ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి, ఈ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చారు ఏంటంటే ఇట్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ 1 hour లెస్ ఫర్ ద సేమ్ జర్నీ. ఓకే, ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో టైం గ్యాప్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది, 1 hour ఉంటుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఒకవేళ మీరు తక్కువ స్పీడ్తో వెళ్ళినట్లయితే లెట్ us assume ఒక నెంబర్ తీసుకుందాం, ఒక 40 km/h అంటే 40 km/hతో వెళ్ళారు అనుకుందాం. 40 km/hతో వెళ్ళినప్పుడు సో మీకు 360 కిలోమీటర్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేయాలంటే 360/40 అంటే ఎంత అవుతుంది, 360/40 విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 9 hours. ఒకవేళ మీరు 40 km/hతో వెళ్ళినట్లయితే 360 కిలోమీటర్స్ని మీరు ట్రావెల్ చేయడానికి ఎంత టైం తీసుకుంటారు, 9 hours తీసుకుంటారు. ఒకవేళ మీరు స్పీడ్ పెరిగింది 45 km/h అయింది. అప్పుడు స్పీడ్ పెరిగినప్పుడు 9 hours కాస్త ఏమవుతుంది, 8 hours తగ్గిపోతుంది. అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ అది వస్తుందో తర్వాత తెలియదు ఒకటి, 9 hoursది ఒకవేళ స్పీడ్ పెంచితే ఒక +5 పెంచితే మీ స్పీడ్ పెంచితే టైం 1 hour తగ్గిపోతుంది. అంటే డ్యూరేషన్ 1 hour తగ్గిపోతుంది. అంటే 9 hoursలో వెళ్ళాల్సిన మీరు 8 hoursలోనే చేరుకుంటారు. ఓకే, అర్థమవుతుందా? సో ఇఫ్ ద టైమ్ గ్యాప్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ ఆర్, ఏది ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటుంది, తక్కువ స్పీడ్తో వెళ్ళింది ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటుంది. అంటే తక్కువ స్పీడ్తో వెళ్తే ఎక్కువ టైం తీసుకుంటాం. అంటే ఏది ఎక్కువ ఇక్కడ, T1 ఎక్కువ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ దట్ T1 minus T2 equal to 1 hour. T1 minus T2 equal to 1 hour. అంటే టైం గ్యాప్ ఎంత ఉంది, 1 hour. x km/h స్పీడ్తో వెళ్తే T1, x plus 5 km/hతో వెళ్తే T2. ఈ రెండింటి మధ్యలో టైం గ్యాప్ 1 hour. సో ఓకే, సో లెట్ us see here. ఏముంది మనకి ఇక్కడ, 360/T1 minus T2 equal to 1 hour. ఇక్కడ చెప్పండి, ఇక్కడ T1 ఏమనుకున్నాము, టైం టేకెన్ టు complete this journey for first with the speed x km/h is 360/x. Time taken to travel this journey with the speed x plus 5 is 360/x plus 5. Okay, so ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు, 360/x minus 360/x plus 5 which is equal to 1 hour. Okay, now what you have to do here, you take 360 here common, 1/x minus 1/x plus 5 which is equal to 1. Okay, so 1/x minus 1/x plus 5. What you have to do now, just you do the butterfly method, cross multiply. Okay, so what you have to do, x into x plus 5 which is equal to x square plus 5x. Here x plus 5 into 1 is x plus 5, x into minus 1 is minus x. X get cancelled. Here we have the 360 equal to 1. Then 360 into 5 by x square plus 5x equal to 1. Okay, is it clear up to here everyone? So now, 360 into 5 is how much, 5 into 0, 0, 5 6 is 30, 5 3 is 15, 16, 17, 18. By x square plus 5x into 1, when you take it here, so it will become x square plus 5x. X square plus 5x minus 1800 equal to 0. Now 1800 we can write like this. సో ఇంకా సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే ప్రతిసారి ఇలా రాయడం మీకు ఇబ్బంది అనుకుంటే, సో 1800ని 18 into 100గా రాసుకోండి. ఓకే, అండ్ ఇది 18ని 9 into 2గా రాసుకుందామా, 9 into 2గా రాసుకుందాము. ఇది 100ని 20 into 5గా రాసుకుందాం. ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా మనకి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉందా లేదా ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, సో 20 into 2 40, 5 into 9 45. ఓకే, సో చూడండి ఆన్సర్ 40, అదే ఐ మీన్ మిడిల్ టర్మ్స్ ఏమొస్తున్నాయి ఇక్కడ, 45 and 40. చెక్ ద ఆన్సర్ హియర్, 45 and minus 40. ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి, యాడ్ చేయాలి. 45 మైనస్ 45 వచ్చిందా, అంటే మిడిల్ టర్మ్ని మనం ఈ విధంగా స్ప్లిట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఏం చేశాను, 1800ని 18 ఇంటూ 100గా రాసుకున్నాను, 18ని 9 ఇంటూ 2గా రాసుకున్నాను, 100ని 20 ఇంటూ 5గా రాసుకున్నాను. జస్ట్ చెక్ చేసుకున్నాను వచ్చిందా లేదా. రాకపోతే ఇంకా వేరే ఫ్యాక్టర్స్తో మనం ట్రై చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. బట్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి నౌ వీ కెన్ ప్రొసీడ్. ఓకే, సో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 45x, this 5x we can write as 45x minus 40x minus 1800 equal to 0. Is it clear everyone? So next one, from the first two terms we can take x as a common. ఇక్కడ నుంచి x ని కామన్ తీయొచ్చు. From next two terms we can take 40 as a common. ఓకే, సో డైరెక్ట్గా రాసాను, 40 ఇంటూ 45 మీకు 1800 వస్తుంది, కావాలంటే చెక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 45 సారీ మైనస్ 40 కామన్ తీసాం కదా. సో ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 40 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 45 ఈక్వల్ టు 0, right? Then x minus 40 equal to 0, x equal to 40 km/h, and this is your answer. ఇక్కడ మీరు తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి x ప్లస్ 45 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి, x వాల్యూ నెగిటివ్ వస్తుంది, అంటే స్పీడ్ కెనాట్ బి నెగిటివ్, రైట్? స్పీడ్ కెనాట్ బి నెగిటివ్, స్పీడ్ అనేది నెగిటివ్ అవ్వదు, రైట్? సో x ఈక్వల్ టు 40 km/h, అండ్ ఒకవేళ ట్రైన్ స్పీడ్ మీరు పెంచితే x ప్లస్ 5 అవుతే అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది, 40 ప్లస్ 5 45 km/h అవుతుంది. దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ యాక్చువల్ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రైన్ నౌ, 40 km/h. The final statement you have to write like this: the speed of the train equal to 40 km/h. Okay, and you check here, 360 by 40 you will get here 9, right? And 360 by 45 you will get here 8. 9 minus 8, రెండింటి మధ్యలో టైం గ్యాప్ ఎంత ఉంది, 1 hour ఉంది. Is it clear? Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you very much. Bye.